Hello, I am Syed Sufyan, a digital marketer and content creator. A well crafted social media plan for business is crucial in today's digital age. Social media platforms have a wide reach, allowing businesses to expose their brand and a larger audience. Social media provides an opportunity for businesses to directly engage with their customers, fostering relationships and building loyalty. Here is the structure of a social media marketing plan. This is goals. In goals, you have to define overarching goals of your social media strategy. Set specific and measurable objectives that align with your business goals. For example, increase brand awareness by 20% within 6 months. In target audience, here identify your target audience and create your buyer persona. Understand their demographics like age, gender, interest, and their online behavior. Example like young professionals aged 25 to 34 interested in fitness and wellness. Platform selection. In platform selection, you have to determine the social media platforms that align with your target market and business objectives. Research the demographics, user base, and features of each platform. For example, it can be Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Content strategy. Here you have to define content you will create, such as articles, images, videos, or infographics. Plan the frequency of the posting and the content themes. For example, post 3 times per week, alternating between fitness tips, success stories, and motivational quotes. Content calendar. Here you have to create an editorial calendar to schedule and organize your content. Determine the dates, platforms, and specific content pieces to be published. For example, in week 1, Facebook fitness infographic tips, Instagram success story video. I will show you content calendar for Facebook and LinkedIn. This is Facebook content calendar. In the first date, you have to add here message, your service or product link, campaign, and image. You can add your post in all the dates which is mentioned here, so it can be easy for post. It is LinkedIn content calendar, same as Facebook content calendar. You have to add your message or copy here, service link, campaign name, and link of the image or video. This is for 7 days. You can create it for the whole month. Let's get back to here. Engagement and community building. Here you have to plan how you will engage with your audience and build a community. Define strategies for responding to comments, messages, and reviews. For example, like respond to all comments within 24 hours, initiate conversations with followers. Advertising and promotion. Here you can outline your paid advertising strategy on social media platforms. Set budgets, target audience, and key performance indicators. For example, like run Facebook ad campaign to increase website traffic, allocate $500 or 500 rupees per day or per month. Measurement and analytics. Here you have to identify the metrics and the KPIs you will track to measure the success. Use social media analytics tools to monitor performance and adjust your strategy here. Example like track reach, engagement, click-through rates, and conversions. Review and optimization. You have to regularly review your social media performance against your goals and objectives. Make adjustments and optimize your strategy based on data-driven insights. For example, monthly review meetings to analyze the results and implement improvements. I will give this social media plan template link in the description of this video. Thank you for watching this video. I will meet you in another video. Comment your views.